Hi everyone, Penny here, and today I am showing you about the prayer pocket ornaments, or they could just be ornaments. It's your choice, but I put a little prayer in there. I put a scripture in there and some little journaling tags. And then on the back, I have a pocket as well. And I cut them from a gift bag tag. It was a tag that was on a gift bag, and I happened to look down. The gift bag was some that I got in a thrift store find, and I thought, hey, this would be really cool. And I saw Linda Israel, and I saw several other ladies making some of the top of the round circle ornaments or embellishments, and I thought, well, this just happened to catch my eye, and I was working with some scrap paper, and I thought, hey, I would make some ornaments that resembles maybe a prayer pocket, inspirational pocket, or also what I was thinking was, wouldn't it be fun to do like the 12 days of Christmas and count down, the last, 12 days for December. And I thought it'd be fun for the kids to do, but also, for as like the assisted living places, give them something to encourage them to put on their tree. Because a lot of places have trees, Christmas trees, and some just have, where they put up ornaments on the walls and things, or on the mirrors. I really don't have a whole lot of room. So I thought if I did 12 of these, and I'm cutting one circle in half here, and I'm distressing it. This is the actual pocket, and then I have my little corner rounder, which I absolutely love, and I have I'm distressing. I'm using Ranger ink. It's archival. This is it's black. It's Raven, and then I have a punch, and I messed up down there with the distressing a little bit, so I'm going to cover that up. So this is what makes the pocket. I'm going to just punch a little bit with my little circle punch, just enough to give it that little oval. And of course, I go back and distress everything. I'm just using some tacky glue to make the pocket. And I rounded the corners because I wanted it to be noticeable that there was a pocket. These could be fun. These can be used with any shape, really. You don't have to do it as like an ornament or anything like that. I just kind of created as I went. I'm using, later on you'll see, I'm using some circles, stickers and some tags there you see in a bag. And I'm using some of this pretty full leftover pieces of scrapbook paper. And I am trying to put the little toggle thingy on top. You know how ornaments have that beautiful gold or silver little thing for you to put your string through. I don't know what it's called, the topper, I guess. So I'm just kind of measuring and kind of drawing free-handedly here the little topper of what I think it would look like. I don't really have a pattern for it. If you want a template to make these, of course I can make you one printable that you can download for free or whatever. But I'm just cutting it out of this beautiful foil scrap paper left over. I want to thank Miranda for sending me the scrap papers. I'm having trouble picking up things today, it looks like. So I'm just going to round the corner. I can't round it with the little tool, so I'm going to have to go in and round it by hand, but that's okay. Just to give it that definition of that little topper on top. I'm going to size it up to make sure that it's going to work. And there you can see I've cut out some little slots in there, because mine that I have, my ornaments that I have the little slots cut out that actually fits over, the bulb itself. And again, of course, having difficulty picking things up. But I am going to go in here and just trim off, make it kind of angular, kind of make it look like it's actually sitting on top of the bulb. Just cutting away. Then I take my little hummingbird scissors, as Sonia calls them, and I'm clipping a little piece, just a little, to make that little slit on both sides. It's not perfect, but it'll work. Just clipping those little tiny pieces away, just to make like a little rectangle in there, to give it that shape. And of course, if you have a cutting machine, you can do your template and have them cut, If you have a scan and cut, you can actually scan in your template and then just cut out of whatever. But I didn't have time today to get the machine out, so I'm doing this by hand because I am getting ready, just trying to get some finished just to show. I'm putting that on top. Getting ready for December. Here I'm just holding it to make sure. Here is the finished one with some string at the top. And then I have made some little tags using a stamp, sticking it in there. It's just scrapbook paper. Those are stickers on top. Some eyelash trim. This was a tag that came out of that bag there. Just a tag I cut in half. And then there's a pocket on the back to put a piece of candy or, you know, a note or a prayer or whatever that you want. Even you could probably put a gift card in it if you made it big enough. So here I am cutting and I'm measuring the little pom-pom trim, and I'm going to glue that down. I don't, of course, just glue on the two sides. And I'm going to fast forward so you can see exactly everything. And then I'm just going to show you here. I have a piece of fabric. I have some stickers. I'm just going to choose a word. So look through your stash, use your stickers, and I always forget to distress those little stickers. So I did remember on this one. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video of just how I made these. And if you make some, tag me, let me know. And I think some other artists in here in the group and things probably are doing some as well. So share your ideas. I think it's so fun. Bye, y'all.